What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Got some bad news today for the F80. I was actually under the car the other day putting on my Turner Motorsport skid plate, and I noticed something, and you can tell here on my old skid plate. That is no bueno, that's oil. So I think that my car has an oil leak somewhere, so I have to take it to get it checked out today, figure out what the hell's going on. Now, I do have one theory, and this was stupid, but if you remember a couple videos back where I thought I busted my oil cooler on the road, my car said it was low on oil, so I came back home and I poured oil into the car. I didn't put it in the video, but I actually, whenever I first started pouring, I didn't have a funnel, so I missed and poured quite a bit into my engine bay. I'm kind of hoping that that's where that oil came from, but you never know until you take it to your professionals and have them check it over. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully that's all it was, but I do have some other things I want to get checked out on the car, and let's get right into it. As you can imagine, I'm really not thrilled about this, but this is a BMW with 97,000 miles on it, so I'm not necessarily discouraged in the car. I just hate that it seems like every video I've made lately, something goes wrong. I don't want every video I have to have some like negative clickbait, but here we are. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and watch the vlogs because I need money to fix this car all the time. All right, guys, I'm at Empowered. Let's go in and see what the damage is.
What's up?
What's up, my boy? What y'all up to today? Busy day?
Kind of.
Yeah?
We left the room. We knew you were coming. Trevor's car's gonna break, so we better leave Tuesday. I'm kidding.
If you know one thing about me, it's I got broken stuff.
Thanks for taking the picture, man.
Oh yeah, that's right.
That's your picture.
Check it out, guys. We made the paper. Empowered.
Yeah,
Maintenance and performance.
Yeah. Thanks to Trevor for taking the picture.
That's what it was. That's what did it, right?
Yeah, that's what it did. Well, they took a...
I'm just kidding.
They made an ad, and they just found a random picture on our Instagram. It's like, first of all, go ahead, I guess.
Yeah.
No. But it wasn't a very good picture. And I was like, man, Trevor's taking such good pictures of his car. So I did get permission from you.
That's him looking out, as always.
I asked him, can we use it? He said, sure, I don't care.
Check out this gem, guys, an E60 M5. It's a little bit clapped. It needs some love, but it's a manual. You don't see that every day. This would be a good car to restore on YouTube, for sure. The V10, though, maintenance beast.
Drove it the other day. It was kind of
Yeah.
comfortable. Usually I'm worried about comfort in cars like this because I had the E46. He's doing the rear strut race.
I just make his life hard with this lowered car. The links this guy has to go through to do stuff for me, like, I don't know, just get my car on a lift is insane.
All this because you spilled oil on your car.
Probably. But it's okay because there's definitely something wrong with my suspension, and if there's somebody who can figure it out, it's this guy. I know whenever it gets in the air, he's going to be able to look at it and be like, hey, this is messed up.
Well, when you miss it, it leaks down and drips right here.
Okay. Well, then
Every time.
that's got to be what it is then. But I am stupid like that.
You can see it right there. Where it's been dripping when you spilled it. Like a clumsy little guy.
Like an idiot. So I have one good shock.
Well, goods.
Good. One okay shock. So it's time for coilovers then. I have a good excuse now. Cooked. So since I've never felt this car probably with good suspension, how much better is it going to feel whenever I replace it?
I mean, it depends. If you go cheap set of coilovers, it might not feel much better.
What would you define as cheap?
BC.
Okay, I'm not doing that.
I don't know how V1s are on this.
What about V3?
That's good. Olin's.
Olin's,
good.
I've looked at
the
them.
500 series Fortunatos are, they're a cheapish brand. They're decent for the money. Fortunato's gonna have their Black Friday sale on Friday. Everything's like 40% off or something like that. Some stuff's like 70% off.
Well,
so you should definitely check them out.
I will.
510 series are pretty good, but they're gonna be obviously more expensive.
Yep, that is so funny. It's not supposed to do that, guys. I have bad control arms.
Well, just one bad one. This one's good. But we're gonna do them in pairs.
See, I would have never thought, since I'm getting the like vibration whenever I'm turning left or slowing down, I would have thought it would have been this one. But it's not.
It's all connected to subframe transfers.
Yeah.
I think we have them. I'm pretty sure.
So funny enough, I had actually already ordered control arms and we didn't end up installing them. So that's what's wrong with my car and the reason why it handles like crap right now. That and the suspension shot. So look at Caden, he's so happy that I'm here. All right, guys, so the good news about the car is that there is no oil leak. That is a huge plus, but my car needs some attention. I need new suspension on the car. It should not do this. That is very bad. Check out the front splitter, guys. This one has seen better days officially. Now, overall, is there anything seriously wrong with my car? No. But I do have an excuse to get coilovers now. So, if anybody has a nice used set of coilovers out there that they would want to hook me up with, let me know. What I want to know from you guys is what suspension should I get? Comment down below. Do not tell me the most expensive one, because the most expensive must be the best. You know what? I'm sure it is, but I want to know what's the best I can get for the money. If I'm going to do this, I want to like go through my usual experimenting for YouTube, I guess. Let me know down below what suspension should I put on the F80, and I am now going to go home. I'm glad to know that my car is not leaking oil and that was not a problem. So I can at least enjoy myself a tad. Alright guys, she's home. I've definitely got some stuff to think about with the M3 because it needs some work. I love this car, but something you have to think about with a high performance sports car, especially a BMW or a German sports car, is that whenever these things start getting around 100,000 miles, there's a lot of attention to maintenance and things that need to be done to the car. And I'm just to that point, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of stuff, unfortunately, but it could be worse. This car could be leaking oil, which it's not, so I'm happy about that. I gotta go grab the Porsche key. I gotta go put some money in the bank so I can actually pay for the cars. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and honestly, if you guys like this video, if you just like hanging out with me, then like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.